When you're talking about waiting for another entry point, what do you wait in?
Yeah, so I think there are a few things. A lot of the technicals are really quite positive for the bull market, right? So you look at the all-time high, you look at the a year out from the last rate hike, markets tend to be up mid-teens. Presidential election year without any challenger, that tends to be very positive. So there are some positives. However, in an election year, you also have a pretty copybook sort of performance of the markets. The first quarter tends to be positive. And then you have somewhat of a sideways to a mild correction going into the last 100 years prior to the election, where the markets have a high degree of volatility and tends to go down. A lot depends on what the market's sensing from the election, and then you have a relief rally post the election, no matter who goes into the White House. So I think you might get a much better entry point during the course of the year, maybe in the midsummer time frame, than what you're seeing right now.
Is the election really something you can trade around, given the fact that we're looking at the longest general election in history?
Not necessarily, and we would advocate that your portfolio should be built to outlast one particular election cycle. Having said that, if you were to just ask me if this is the time today to start buying into the big tech, my suggestion would be no. Better entry points won't be coming.